Welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about how to style labels in input fields. So any input field you can do this with. I'll drag over a text box and show you. When you click on the styling icon, you've got something called label. Two options. First is the font of the label. Change that to whatever you like. Let's say I'll pick this one here. You can see it's changed. I can choose if I want it lighter, if I want it normal, or if I want it bold. Let's say I'll go for bold. Let's say I want to make this a bigger, like that. I can do that. If I want to change the color, for example, I can do that. I can change it into purple. Now the font, when it shrinks, it moves up, okay? So the good example here is this. So look, let me preview this. You can see that when you click on it, it keeps to a certain value, and then it moves up and it resets. You can also modify it when it floats up, okay? So you can say when it floats up, I want it to be this one here, it's very funky. I want it bold, I want it 16, and I want it color, let's say, we'll chuck in a bit of a yellow in here. And then you can see how far you want the top offset. So I'll do 20 pixel here for now. Click save. And now look what happens. When I preview and I click into it, you can see it moves up. The offset is like that. And behind it, you can see how much lower it is, and you can really adjust that if you want. So you can just go and say, you know what, I want it back to 10. Click save. Click preview. And once it's loaded, you can click into it. Now it's up there, 10, and you can move it like, minus 10, and it'll go up further and further. And yeah, that's how you can modify the labels, really. So this is the label that stays on the field, and then once you input, upon input, it will shrink the font and it will move up. And then here you can adjust that, adjust the color, and all the good stuff. And yeah, that's all for this video.